as hard as you try and as exact as you try to make these dots, for whatever reason, when you drill them, they don't seem to line up exactly perfect. There's always some sort of wiggle or jiggle or something that makes it move. So, tip to make sure they line up and to make your life much easier. Reuse your peg holes, and you can also adjust on the fly. So if one is like slightly closer, you can kind of move it, and that gives you a visual representation. But if you notice right here, there's only one hole drilled right there. What I did is I picked the left-hand corner of every single one going down, and I pre-drilled it. Take your template, put it in, anchor it, line everything up, make sure it's exactly the way you want it. Take your drill and pre-tap those holes right there so you know exactly where to drill it. And keep going on the way down, and when you come back, everything will line up perfectly. Problem solved. See you guys. Have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe.